Hey folks, welcome to the channel. Today I kind of want to go over my bug back to the shop slash get back to my dogs when I'm out working in the city. And I just kind of want to go over the kit I have in my truck ready to go in case I have to egress back to the shop. Hope you enjoy. Okay, first thing off, go over the box that I keep locked in the truck. I have a cable and everything. I keep it all locked up for security reasons, and I'll show you why. Okay, so first off, what we have in here, this is my basic self-defense kit. This is a first aid kit in a fanny sack, Spirit Systems smaller fanny sack there. I keep this little pouch with some sugary caffeine slash frog fuel. Thinking behind that is, if you're in a situation where your adrenaline's pumping and you get an adrenaline dump, it's good to put some sugar back in your body to kind of calm your body down, bring it back to neutral. So that's what the thinking is for that. Put the gun, get the gun out here. Whoops. Yeah. The knife I keep in here is just a knife. I don't know, just in case I need to put a knife on myself. Gun I use in here. Let me get all this stuff out of here, and then I'll put it on top of the case. But it's a Smith & Wesson FPC, foldable, of course. So it's nice and compact. Goes in the case. I have to do something about that light. That's kind of a concern of mine, is that I'll get some NDs. But in any case, gun here, I have two 15-round magazines here. Kept on the gun. I got a 15-rounder here. Keep in the gun. By the way, the ammo I'm using is the Hornady 147 grain hollow points. It's a subsonic load, so I keep that on there. I did paint this, if you can tell. Just got a regular Unity tactical mount on there, and then I got a Holosun sight on there, red dot. So and then also I have the T-Rex arm sling on there. So it's just something I had laying around. As you know, as you can tell, this gun setup is not the most expensive gun in the world. So if perhaps somebody ended up cutting the cable and stealing the box out of the truck, at least I haven't lost much. And then I have a suppressor for it. I'm not going to go ahead and put that on there, but I don't think YouTube likes that, even though I haven't read their rules. But anyway, I got a 9mm suppressor for it. With the subsonic ammo, I think it would be pretty quiet. So, and also too, I do keep an extra 15-round mag along with some extra bullets in here. And then I got batteries for the light and for the sight. So the reason I chose the Smith & Wesson M&P FPC is because when I carry on a daily basis, I carry a Smith & Wesson. So the magazines are compatible with this gun, so I can basically I'm not running around with an AR-15 and have different magazines than the rifle I'm using have. So anyway, that's the thinking there. So that is the gun. And then backpack wise, I do have this backpack that just stays in the truck, and I use this just to kind of store stuff. It's not really something I would grab and go with, but again, I'm trying to egress back to the shop so I can get my dogs and get home. And I don't plan on just bailing out of the truck and running down the street. I anticipate hopefully I'll be stuck. I'll be in the truck and able to drive the truck back to the shop. But anyway, so being that I'm in the Denver metro area, you just never know what's going to go down. But so I keep a gas mask in here, just in case. And then on the, I actually have a bottle that I can use to drink out of while I'm wearing the gas mask. And I think that's pretty important if you're in the city. And then I do have a Faro Concepts plate carrier. It is low profile, and I want to stay as low profile as I can. So anyway, I got that in here. It does have hard plates in it, so I think it's level 3 plus or whatever they are. The extra pack I have here, I'd probably just bail, or if I had to bail, I wouldn't probably take this pack. I would take this pack here. It's my, I already did a review on this, my Hill People gear pack. And you know, I got food, wipes, first aid, all kinds of stuff like that in here. It's not fully packed out. I got a jacket in here, just basic stuff, some underwear, socks, just a little extra stuff. And then I got an extra bag here in case I have to put some stuff in there. So anyway, this is more than likely the pack that I would run with. And then I had this chest rig I made up. It snaps onto the front of the pack. I'll show you that here in a second. But got some tools, some pins, and I got my put pistol mags in here. Carry my pistol mags in the chest rig like that. I don't have a whole bunch of stuff in the chest rig because I like it a little bit flatter. But mostly what I have in there is like maps, compass, some just Band-Aids, some Tylenol, and some Advil, a little bit of water purification stuff in case I need to purify some water. I do have one of those little zip fizz things that have caffeine in it, just in case I need to keep my brain awake. You know, of course I got a little Leatherman in there. But anyway, yeah. So that's kind of the scenario. I do have some pepper spray that goes onto the, so I just use this pepper spray. You never know. Again, I hope it wouldn't come to me jumping or running around in a on foot getting back to my shop. So but anyway, this is what my plan would be, is to, if you ever pay attention to the streets, you'd notice that a lot of homeless people run around with their blankets
Angry?
on.
I will not be angry.
My beard to kind of help out a
I
little
be
bit.
someone. I be someone.
To blend in, kind of like
I be who?
person.
I be
Anyway,
normal.
So, and then that conceals all my gear, so I am ready to go at a moment's notice if I have to. Hopefully that won't come to that, but anyway, That's all I got for today, and hope you enjoyed it. What I'm trying to do is keep is keep the fat out of the videos as much as possible, and just try to get through them. Not doing a lot of cinematic, crazy time waste and stuff. I just want to get through and show you what the meat of the information is. So anyway, I hope you enjoy, and I talk to you folks later. Please like and share, and have a great day, and stay safe, and train, train, train.